Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to use a body scrub effectively for a smooth, soft and radiant complexion. Most times, some of us use products without really knowing how to use this product, and we come back and say things like, it's not working for me, I'm not getting results and all that. Meanwhile, you are not using it the right way, the correct way. So many persons use body scrubs on their skin and they are not getting the result because they are not doing it properly. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to properly use a body scrub for it to be effective on your skin and give you this soft and radiant complexion. But first of all, we need to understand what a body scrub is. What is a body scrub? A body scrub is a mechanical exfoliant, which means that it physically removes dead skin cells from your skin. And by physically, it means that you have to use something abrasive like sugar or salt or jojoba seed or walnut shell powder, anything abrasive to remove, or apricot seed, anything abrasive to remove dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. This process of physically removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin by using exfoliants, by using abrasive ingredients like salt or sugar, helps to smoothen your skin, helps to stimulate cell turnover, and also helps to brighten your skin. So if you're someone that your skin is looking tired, your skin is looking dull, your skin is looking dry, you need to exfoliate your skin. You need a scrub. So let's proceed to the main focus of today, which is how to use a body scrub on your skin. Let's get to it. First of all, when you get into the shower and you say, today I want to exfoliate my skin, today I want to scrub my skin, there is a mistake that most people make, and that is exfoliating before having their bath. If you have been doing that, you will most likely not get results from using body scrubs. To the best of my knowledge, it is very, let me not use the word wrong, let me use the word inappropriate. Yes, it's not inappropriate to actually exfoliate before having your bath. So when you get into the shower, it is assumed that your skin is dirty and you want to wash your skin. You want to remove dirt from your skin by using a soap. A soap and a scrub, they do two different things. Even if your soap exfoliates, it cannot exfoliate the way a scrub will exfoliate your skin, except there are chemical exfoliants in that soap. A soap cleanses the skin while a scrub exfoliates the skin. You get into the shower, you want to have your bath, and you are scrubbing your skin first. Why? This is the correct order. If you want to scrub your skin, first of all, you go into the shower. When you want to scrub your skin, I always advise that you use warm water, because warm water helps to open up your pores. Your pores are open, and when you exfoliate, everything gets out of your skin. I said warm water, I did not say hot water. There are some persons that when you want to have their bath with warm water, you think they want to remove the feather of chicken. It will be so hot. If you know the amount of damage that hot water does to your skin, you will not use hot water to bathe again. Use warm water on your skin on the days you want to exfoliate, not hot water. Hot water, let me just tell you guys one of the side effects of bathing with hot water. Hot water dries out your skin. Hot water makes your skin wrinkled. Hot water makes your skin age. Hot water strip your skin of natural oils. I think that's settled. You get into the shower, you take your soap and your warm water and you bathe. After having your bath, you take your body scrub and you scrub your skin. You can either choose to use your palm to scrub your skin like this, or you use a glove sponge, something like this. You can use something like this on your skin. So all you need to do is just wear the glove sponge. Wear the glove sponge like this. Apply the scrub on your sponge or on your body, whichever one you want to do. You can apply the scrub on your body, apply the scrub on your sponge, and you begin to scrub your skin. Scrub it well. Why I always tell people scrub your skin very well is because this part of the world, Nigeria, we live in a very hot climate, And when you live in a hot climate, we tend to sweat a lot, and you know what happens when you sweat a lot. Your skin is usually dirty, so you have to exfoliate, you have to scrub really well. And if you go out there, the dust, the smoke, the traffic, everything, so my dear, you have to scrub those things out of your skin. So when I say put the scrub on your body and scrub it well, my dear, scrub it well. Scrub it well so that your skin will be clean. Okay, that's it. Some persons, after scrubbing their skin, they remove the glove and forget to scrub their hand. So what you do is that after scrubbing your skin, you will take the glove, put scrub on your glove or your hand, and scrub your skin, scrub your knuckles, scrub everywhere, scrub your skin. Then also don't forget to scrub your armpits. Most persons, when they are outside and they raise up their hand, when sweat accumulates under your armpits, it begins to smell. And one of the ways to get rid of this is by exfoliating your armpits. So don't forget to scrub your armpits when you are scrubbing your skin. Scrub your armpits, and also scrub the back of your ears. Some persons, if you see the back of their ears, it's a different complexion from their body. It's as if it's a different human being that is there. So please, when scrubbing your skin, don't just scrub where people can see your face, your neck, your leg. Scrub the back of your ears, scrub your armpits, scrub in between your fingers, scrub in between your fingers. Not just that, scrub in between your feet, your toes, scrub your feet, scrub your elbow, scrub your elbow, because this part of your skin is dry. Scrub your elbow, scrub your elbow. We need everything to blend. We need to have even skin tone everywhere. Then in between your thighs, I did not say inside your womanhood now, I said in between your thighs, scrub in between your thighs, those dark areas. And for those of you that are very voluptuous in front, if you have big boobs and probably sagging boobs, please raise your breast and scrub under your breast. If you are bust, you would understand that sweat accumulates under your bust. And there's some people that they forget to wash that part of their body, and when they raise it up, it's as if maybe there are some dark lines and all that under that place. I don't know how it won't. Anyway, raise your breast up, raise it up, and scrub under your breast, scrub under your boobs. Everything must be clean from head to toe, even skin. Because if you are using a lightening product or a brightening product and you are not scrubbing, you will notice that your face is fair, your neck is black, your armpit is black, your breast is fair. You are going to have uneven skin. So the way to have an even skin tone is, first of all, scrubbing your skin, exfoliating your skin, then using the right product on your skin. I have to take this off now. So if you're using a scrub that brightens the skin, I would advise you leave it on your skin for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you rinse off with warm water. Another place some people ignore when they are scrubbing their skin is their back. You cannot be looking flawless in front, then when you turn your back, it's something else. Okay? So if your hand cannot get to your back, call your sister or your spouse or whoever you're comfortable with to help you scrub your back. Everything has to blend. You can't be wasting your money buying products and you don't know how to use it. When you're done scrubbing your skin, leave for 2 to 3 minutes if you're using a brightening scrub or your lightening scrub, whatever your scrub you're using. Use it, leave for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Immediately you come out of the bathroom, please, I beg you, moisturize your skin. While your skin is still damp, moisturize your skin. Don't wait for your skin to get dry, because when you scrub your skin tends to get dry, and this also boils down to the type of scrub you are using. So we have different types of exfoliants. We have the sugar, we have the salt, we have apricot, we have walnut shea powder, we have jojoba seed. So there are different types of exfoliants that you can use as a body scrub. The most common ones are sugar and salt. Some persons prefer sugar scrubs, while some persons prefer salt scrubs. It depends on what you're comfortable with. If you're someone that have a sensitive skin, I would say go for sugar scrubs. If you're someone that you have a dry skin, I would tell you to go for sugar scrubs. There are some persons that when they use sponge or scrubs in their skin, they tend to itch. So for people like that, I would say don't use salt scrubs, use sugar scrubs. You might still itch with sugar scrubs because of the sensitivity of your skin, but it will not be as bad as when you use a salt scrub. So if you have a sensitive skin, have dry skin, I'll advise that you use sugar scrubs. Then if you have an oily skin, I'll advise you use salt scrubs. If you have a tough skin, like your skin does not hear anything, nothing, like nothing works for your skin, use a salt scrub. So I'll do another video to really like elaborate on different types of scrub and what to take into consideration when choosing a scrub. Maybe I would have to dedicate another video to this topic, but so that's about it. To be honest with you, if you practice regular and proper exfoliation and you use a good moisturizer or a good lotion, your skin is going to actually change. Honestly, your skin is going to look better, your skin is going to look brighter and more even toned. How often do you scrub your skin? When I say exfoliate your skin regularly, I don't mean that you should exfoliate your skin every single day of your life. You should not scrub your skin more than 2 to 3 times a week. Minimum 2 times, in fact, minimum once, medium 2 times, maximum 3 times. Don't scrub your skin more than 3 times, 2 to 3 times a week. Because instead of actually doing your skin good, you are going to be damaging your skin. You don't want to damage your skin's barrier by overdoing it, okay? So it's best that you do it 2 to 3 times a week. If you have eczema on your skin, do not scrub your skin. Treat the eczema first of all and get your skin back before you think of scrubbing your skin. If you have a wound on your skin, hey God, you should not scrub your skin. Wait until your wound has healed and healed completely before you scrub your skin. Don't scrub a wound on your skin. You are going to end up making your situation worse. If you have acne, serious acne on your body, do not scrub it, okay? Treat it first, then you can now start doing your normal exfoliation. Then if you have a skin infection, on your body, please do not scrub your skin. You're just going to end up spreading the fungi or the bacteria that's causing the infection all over your body. So please do not scrub your skin if you have a skin infection. Please, when exfoliating your skin, always try to exfoliate at night. Do not do it during the day because the body repairs itself at night. So when exfoliating your skin, exfoliate at night. Exfoliate before you go to bed. So if you're exfoliating 3 times a week, exfoliate 3 nights a week. Do you understand? I hope that you guys learned a thing or two from this video. I hope that at the end of this video, you know how to scrub your skin. You know when to scrub your skin. You know why you should scrub your skin. You know how many times a week you should scrub your skin. You know how to choose body scrubs that is best for your skin. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. All right guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.